What do you think this is? Have you ever seen this before? No? No. Some kind of cone. I haven't seen it. Is it swimming time we can use as a pads?
Yes.
Yeah.
It says every period is a happy period, so I'm guessing, yeah, it's a menstrual cup.
This cup lasts for 10 years, is safe for the environment, saves you a lot of money, and the best part is, all you women out there, it keeps you happy and healthy. These two women have done exceptional work in bringing this product to you. Let's see what it is.
Meet Malini and Smita, the proud founders of Stone Soup. They have been a part of various campaigns like Green the Red, in which they, along with many other urban women, tried to create awareness about eco-friendly ways of maintaining menstrual hygiene. Similarly, Period Love Bleed Green, which focuses on exploring the ground realities of effects of menstrual myths and taboos.
But what makes menstrual cups healthier than probably a sanitary napkin?
Stone Soup cup is made from medical grade platinum cured silicone. Again, what does it mean? It's inert, it's non-reactive, it's the same material which is used in baby feeding bottle nipples, in silicone breast implants, in stents or anything that is inserted into the body. So absolutely safe.
How does it make a woman's life more comfortable?
Cups are actually invisible. So period days are like any other day. You don't feel the cup at all. Whether you go jumping, swimming, running, dancing, or even travel to the remotest of places without having to worry about leaving a dirty gift behind in the nature.
So Malini, why do you think that menstrual cups save more money than sanitary napkins?
In 10 years, a woman spends 30 to 40k on sanitary pads. A cup costs 350 to 1000 rupees. Do the math.
These women are certainly doing their part in generating awareness about menstrual hygiene. Join the movement for a cleaner environment and a healthier you.